Top 5 future weapons, future military drones. Military drones have revolutionized military operations. Drones have many benefits over conventional military methods, the most important of which is the reduction of casualties among the fighting force. It is unlikely that the debate over the government's use of military drones will die down anytime soon. Investment in unmanned aircraft systems is predicted to approach $100 billion worldwide over the next decade. How familiar are you with these amazing drones used by the military? And what are the best drones available right now? Well, let's find out here on Next Tech Ventures. Nonetheless, before we continue, please remember to subscribe to our channel. And now, we're ready to begin. Military forces must always be prepared for anything at any time. Drones are the best example of how the military-industrial complex has developed technology that prioritizes this need. Furthermore, drones can be fully automated. Today, many military warfare industries are developing drone technology that is being integrated into more military programs around the world. They offer numerous benefits and advantages that make them extremely useful for a variety of roles. As a result, more military forces are considering using drones to improve their combat and surveillance capabilities. Now, we're going to talk about the top 5 drones. Number 5. Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is a low-cost, high-performance unmanned air vehicle developed in collaboration with Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, Inc. by the Air Force Research Laboratory. The collaborative effort was carried out as part of the AFRL's low-cost, attritable aircraft technology, or LCAAT, portfolio. The goal of the LCAAT is to break the upward cost spiral of tactically relevant aircraft. The AFRL Aerospace Systems Directorate provided critical turbine inlet integration, structural testing, and evaluation of the XQ-58's electrical and control subsystems as part of this collaboration. The XQ-58A was designed to be significantly less expensive to operate than traditional piloted or unpiloted vehicles through low-cost procurement. It is the first of a new class of unmanned aerial vehicles created using this cost-effective and time-saving method. This low-maintenance reusable vehicle is an example of an attributable aircraft, which is designed to be used for multiple missions, but is built at a low enough cost that it can be a combat loss. This long-range aircraft is built for speed and agility, allowing it to perform a variety of missions. It is runway independent, giving the warfighter maximum operational flexibility. Number 4. Bayraktar Akinci. The Turkish drone manufacturer Baykar, which was formerly known as Baykar Makina, is responsible for the development of the long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle known as Bayraktar Akinci. Bayraktar Akinci was developed to function with a variety of ammunition configurations, which paves the way for the company to upgrade its unmanned aerial vehicle technology to meet the demands of the future. This unmanned aerial vehicle is the successor to the Bayraktar TB2 tactical UAV and serves as the leading variant within its category. The high-tech unmanned aircraft was designed to assist with various missions previously performed by fighter jets. It features dual satellite communication systems, air-to-air radar, collision avoidance radar, electronic support systems, and synthetic aperture radar. Fault-tolerant system architecture and a cross-redundant ground control station architecture are both features of the Bayraktar Akinci unmanned aerial vehicle. It can carry a variety of payloads thanks to its uniquely designed fuselage and wings, which enhance its carrying capacity. It is capable of performing operations that would typically only be carried out by fighter jets. The combat drone has a maximum takeoff weight of 5,500 kilograms, its length is 12.2 meters, its height is 4.1 meters, and its wingspan is 20 meters. It can take off and land on a runway without any problems. Number 3. MQ-9 Reaper. The U.S. Air Force's primary offensive strike unmanned aerial vehicle is the MQ-9 Reaper. With its long loiter time, wide-range sensors, multi-mode communication suite, and precision weapons, it offers one-of-a-kind capability for strike, coordination, and reconnaissance against high-value, fleeting, and time-sensitive targets. The Reaper is part of a system of remotely piloted aircraft. A fully operational system includes multiple sensor, weapon-equipped aircraft, a ground control station, the Predator primary satellite link, spare equipment and operations, and maintenance crews for deployed 24-hour missions. The Reaper also has a synthetic aperture radar for targeting future GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions. The MQ-9 can also use 4 laser-guided missiles. The air-to-ground missile 114 Hellfire, which is highly accurate, has low collateral damage, and can engage in anti-armor and anti-personnel engagement. The primary operational concept, remote split operations, employs a launch and recovery ground control station at the forward operating location for takeoff and landing operations. While the crew is based in the continental United States, and they execute command and control the remainder of the mission via beyond line-of-sight links. The United States Air Force proposed the MQ-9 Reaper system in response to a Department of Defense directive to support overseas contingency operation initiatives. It's larger and more powerful than the MQ-1 Predator, and it's designed to destroy or disable time-sensitive targets with persistence and precision. Number 2. General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. The United States Air Force and the Central Intelligence Agency were the primary users of the remotely piloted aircraft known as the General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. This remotely piloted aircraft was manufactured in the U.S. by General Atomics. The Predator is an aircraft that was conceived in the early 1990s for aerial reconnaissance and forward observation. It's equipped with cameras and other sensors. It's been upgraded and modified to the point where it can carry and fire 2 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and other types of munitions. Since 2001, when it was first introduced, the MQ-9 Reaper has replaced the RQ-1 Predator as the primary remotely piloted aircraft used for offensive operations by the United States Air Force and the CIA in Afghanistan and the Pakistani tribal areas. The plane was put into service in 1995 and saw action in the conflicts that followed: the war in Afghanistan, the conflict in Pakistan, the NATO intervention in Bosnia, the 1999 NATO bombing of Yugoslavia, the Iraq War, Yemen, the civil war in Libya in 2011, the intervention of Syria in 2014, and Somalia. And number 1, the Bayraktar TB2 drone. The Turkish unmanned aerial vehicle Bayraktar TB2 was created by the Baykar Makina Company. It is a long-lasting medium-altitude attack drone. It has the capability of reconnaissance, surveillance, and ground attack. The Turkish military extensively used the Bayraktar TB2 during conflicts in Syria and Libya. These drones are said to have destroyed several Pantsir S-1 short-range air defense systems made in Russia. It has a top speed of more than 220 kilometers an hour. The drone has a fuel capacity of up to 300 liters. The maximum range is 300 kilometers, and the operational altitude is 5.48 kilometers, with a maximum altitude being 7.62 kilometers. The maximum loitering time for this drone is 27 hours. Turkey manufactures all critical components of this UAV, including the flight control system, the INS GPS, and automatic takeoff and landing systems. During trials in 2009, this drone demonstrated a fully automated taxi, takeoff, cruise flight, landing, and parking. Where do we go from here with drones in the military? Drone technology has advanced greatly since its inception during the Cold War, when it was developed by the military-industrial complex. The use of unmanned aircraft systems is expanding well beyond the realm of military operations. Their capabilities will only increase as they're put to use in civilian and commercial context. And now our video has reached its conclusion. If you enjoyed it, please like it and let us know what you thought about it in the comments. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button either. Until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye.